How to connect Polk Soundbar Bluetooth. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to easily connect your Polk Soundbar to a Bluetooth device, whether you use your phone, tablet, or computer. I'll guide you step by step so you can enjoy your music and movies wirelessly in just a couple of minutes. Let's get started. Step 1. Turn on the soundbar. First, make sure your Polk soundbar is plugged into a power source and turn it on. You can use the power button on the remote or directly on the soundbar itself. Step 2. Activate the Bluetooth pairing mode. Now, press the Bluetooth button on the soundbar or the remote control. Hold it for about 3 to 5 seconds until the Bluetooth LED starts blinking blue. That means it's in pairing mode and ready to connect. Step 3. Open Bluetooth settings on your device. Next, go to the Bluetooth settings on your phone, tablet, or computer. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on and your device is set to discover nearby connections. Step 4. Pair with the soundbar. Look for a device name like Polk Soundbar, Sina S2, or Magnify Mini, depending on your model. Tap to connect. Once paired, the LED will stop blinking and turn solid blue. You might hear a confirmation tone. Step 5. Test the connection. Now, play a song or video to make sure the sound is coming from your soundbar. And if it's not, check that your soundbar is selected as the output device and the volume is up. Optional troubleshooting. If the soundbar is not pairing, try turning it off and on again. You might also need to disconnect it from another previously connected device. If the LED doesn't blink, press and hold the Bluetooth button again. And that's it. This was a quick tutorial on how to connect your Polk soundbar via Bluetooth. If you found this tutorial helpful, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.